I'll write update number 5 or something. I just got off my last call. So you can see here we're at 104%, which means we hit $10,000. So this entire thing took 40 days, and I have pretty much 30 days here that I did nothing. This was Christmas, I was sick, family was over, I did 0 work. And then I had to get back into it for 2 weeks because I'm a little bitch, I don't know. But now here we are. Today is what, January 28th. You can see I didn't send any emails or cold looms or anything. I did 32% of the Upworks that I wanted, 50 Upworks. So let's say 10,000 divided by 50. Oh, that's kind of crazy. For each Upwork video that I submitted, I got paid $200. Okay, now there are some expenses in here with developing, but it's not going to be that high. If these companies continue to pay me every single month, then it's 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Now I have $300 recurring every single month until they upgrade their plans to a $750 a month plan. So number 1 lessons, hire to actually fulfill, because you can't be doing sales calls and fulfill all this at the same time. Keep your people that you've hired accountable and keep them motivated. Number 3, start low. You might say, I'm worth more than that, or I'm worth $3,000, or I'm worth this amount. But worth in itself comes from the amount of money that someone else is willing to pay for your services and how they feel after they've paid you that money. You could say, how was that sandwich? Was it worth it? Was the amount of money that you traded for that enjoyment of that sandwich worth the trade? And once they pay you and give you a review and say, yes, you are worth it, then you are. And then you can up your prices. Then you can say, okay, now I'm worth this. Now I'm worth this. Leverage your face, leverage your location, leverage your ability to resonate with that person and communicate clearly, and the structure that you've built out. And only here was I actually able to charge my full rate. This whole other time I've been scared to charge actually $3,000 USD. Only yesterday did I actually have the confidence to charge my full rate, and it didn't change his answer at all. Every time their answer is the same. That's a lot of money. Okay, sure, let's do it. It's like, if you present the value in a way, if you solve the solution for them, you know what's different about this one is actually my solution was solving more problems for him. He had more problems. He basically said, it's cheaper for me to go to you and you solve all these problems for me rather than me going to all these different people and hoping that they solve them. And he trusted me and he liked me and he, all these things, and then he paid up. What I heard a quote yesterday, and I've heard this before, but it's not always when you hear it, it's like you have to be reminded of things a lot. Excellence comes from doing the basic monotonous tasks, the simple tasks consistently. That's where excellence comes from. So it's not a lack of talent or a lack of skill or a lack of resources. It just comes from doing these fucking Upwork videos every single day. And it's not even like I did that many of them. I did 48 of them. 48. Like, are you kidding me? I don't know, man. If this doesn't prove to you that Upwork is the fucking way. Oh, I got a message. Boom, another one. Hey, Mike, checked everything out. Would love to jump on a call this week and discuss further with our website. This is a new lead. I don't even know who this guy is. It's like I'm getting more contracts. Okay, like, fucking Upwork, man. And like these clients, then they say, okay, well, do you want to do it off of Upwork and save, because it costs them and it costs me some money. So they're like, do you want to do it off of Upwork? And for now, I've been saying no. I want to keep it on Upwork. I'm okay with paying their fees because look at what they're bringing me. Look what they're bringing me, bro. $10,000 in 1 month. Come on. So these are my goals for the year. Q1, I need to hit $6,000 a month. And so that's already been done. And then April, May, June, I want to scale up to 8, which I think is certainly possible. And then Q3, I want to hit 10. So this is kind of this timeline that I built out for myself. I think either I'm going to Notionify this or maybe just keep it in sheets. But I like this version of thinking in quarters because it doesn't take the stress off of this, and it really can show like progress. Even just $6,000 was a pretty big unlock for me because my revenue was not consistent before. It wasn't consistent. I was hitting, 1 month I'd hit 6K, 1 month I'd have 0, 0, 0, 4K, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 1,000. it wasn't consistent. But if I can continue to be consistent with this, like this amount of money every single month is a lot of money, bro.